Elrigu Namaskara. Hello everyone. Welcome to World Education Center. My name is Kaushalya Majge. Today video is about advantages of studying MBBS in Russia. Before I start a video, I would like to ask you all a question. Do you want to study MBBS in Russia? Which is your favorite university? Leave your answer in the comment section. So let's get started. So what are the advantages? Russia is one of the famous destination for Indian students. From 1950 students are going to Russia to study MBBS, and the quality is really good, and there are thousands of doctors who study from Russia and practicing in India. Also across the globe there are lakhs of doctors who are practicing and who are graduates of Russian medical universities. So why, before you actually choose a university in Russia, why you have to choose Russia as your destiny for studying MBBS? The first one is easy admission process. So applying to Russian universities for studying MBBS is very simple. There is no such very hardcore criteria. You just need to score 50% in physics, chemistry, biology. Of course, some good universities may ask 65 as well, but up to 65% if you score in physics, chemistry, biology in your 12th standard, you can easily get admission in any good Russian universities. The second criteria is you don't have to rank in the NEET exam. You don't have to score above 500, you don't have to score above 600 and all that. You just have to score the minimum eligibility marks. The minimum eligibility marks will be usually between 110 to 150. If you are from a CST, OBC, the last year eligibility criteria was 113, and for general category students it was 147. Usually every year the minimum eligibility marks will be varies between 110 to 150. So if you score this minimum marks and qualify in NEET, you are ready to go to Russia. So you have scored 50 or between 650 to 65 in 12th standard, and you have got minimum marks in NEET exam, and also you need to just give your 10th mark sheet, 12th mark sheet and your passport, and you are ready to apply. This is such simple. We will apply to the university with all these documents, and university will send us the admission letter. Of course, in some premium university they do conduct some aptitude test. Otherwise most of the universities issue admission letter without any aptitude test as well. So hope you think it is very simple to apply to Russia. The next advantage is recognition. So this is very important. The recognition play a very important role when you actually choose a medicine degree and medical course abroad or any India as well. So the university should be recognized by NMC. So whichever the university you choose in Russia and whatever the university we are going to recommend you, so those universities are recognized by National Medical Commission India. Also it is recognized by WHO. There are more than 58 universities you can choose from. Out of the 58, I think there are not more than 10 to 15 universities provide admission in English medium. So please make sure whenever you choose a university, you are choosing a right university which is completely teaching in English medium. If you end up choosing a bilingual medium course, or if you end up choosing a Russian medium course, you will be trouble. So there are a lot of people, they don't tell you properly what is the medium of instruction and all that. So you should not be getting into any kind of trap. So make sure to choose a university which is completely in English medium. But the universities whichever you're choosing in Russia, they all are recognized by NMC and WHO. The third advantage is low tuition fee. The low tuition, universities in Russia are government. 100% universities are government. So you don't find any university which is actually in the private sector. So all the 100% universities are government universities. Of course, as they are government university, the fees is very low. As even if we choose any universities in India, so the government university fees is very less. So like that in Russia as well, as universities are government universities, the tuition fee will be very very less. So it will be not more than 3 lakh rupees per year, 2 to 3 lakh rupees per year, which will be the total tuition fee for 1 year. Some university may be having 2 lakh or 2.5, 3 lakh, so like that. So maximum fee structure in Russia is 2 to 3 lakh per year. The next is less living cost. Russia is also known for less living cost. In case if you don't choose the universities in Moscow or St. Petersburg, these are the main cities. So these cities will have little more high living cost. But if you don't choose the university in Moscow or St. Petersburg, so if you're choosing any other cities, the living cost will be very very less. In case if you live outside university dormitories, then it may cost you a little high. So in case if you live in a hostel, around 35,000 per year is the hostel, plus food you may spend up to between 5 to 8,000. So monthly you can take around 10,000 rupees from your parents, so then you're good to go to live in Russia. 10,000 rupees per month is more than enough for your food and other things. And if you live in an apartment or if you live with your friends, then it may cost you, you can actually remove the hostel fee, and the monthly 15 to 20,000 is something which you want, which is very very affordable as compared to other European countries, or if you study in USA or Canada here and all, the monthly cost will go up to 75-80,000. Here 15 to 20,000 is maximum. If you live in a hostel, 10,000 rupees is maximum. So of course all kind of students, like maybe middle class students or upper middle class students, so all this will suit all the students budget. So not only rich students, and even somebody from the middle class or somebody from upper middle class, they can easily afford this 10 to 15,000 rupees per month. The next is world ranking universities. The Russian universities are comes under almost around 2 to 3,000 ranking. You can choose the best universities in the world. There are some universities are around 300 ranking in the world or 400 ranking in the world. So the universities are really really good, and they are well equipped with all the facilities for the students, with good quality of education and good hospitals for the clinical rotations. And as all the facilities are provided by the government, of course the government will take care of the quality of education and the infrastructure and all those facilities. And there are universities which are research based universities as well, which are very very old. The Russian universities are very very old, like the minimum will be 50 years old. You can choose the universities from 100 years old, 150-year old. So the quality of education and the universities are very very good, and most of them comes in the good ranking, good world ranking. The next advantage is separate Indian hostel with Indian food. So there are some universities where there are so many Indian students are studying. Almost most of the universities in Russia have Indian students, minimum 1,000 Indian students presently studying. So definitely when there are more Indian students, there will be a separate hostel which is provided, which is renovated hostels provided to Indian students with Indian food, and there are Indian coordinators and all that. So all these extra special facilities are given to Indian students as the number of Indian students are more in Russia. The next advantage is very very interesting: love for Indian vibrant culture. Do you know, you may be surprising, Russian likes Indian and they like Indian vibrant culture. So 1% of the Russian populations follow Hinduism. So they love all kinds of festivals like Holi, Diwali and all that, and they like Indian food. And do you know, the 21st of January is celebrated as Yoga Day. So this shows the love for Indian culture and all that. So especially when we go to a country, which love the Indian culture, which love the people of that country, is have lots of love for Indians, of course that's going to be a safe place for students. That means, there won't be any kind of racism, or there so that is very very important. So whenever we go to any country, that country should accept us, and that country people should actually love us, and they should actually treat us like one among them. Then only that place is going to be safe for Indians to live there. So as Russians like Indians, they love Indian vibrant culture. So this Russia is going to be the safe place for Indians. So hope you may not know this information. You may be wondering, all these things you did not know about it. These are the some of the advantages of going to Russia. Hope this video is helping you to know more about advantages and why you have to choose Russia as your MBBS destiny. And this video would have given you some clarity. If it would have given you some clarity, then I'll be very happy to share more information on MBBS in Russia or any other country, and which can at least contribute to certain extent to help you in your MBBS journey. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next interesting video. Until then, take care. If you like this video, please subscribe to channel, as we are going to upload lots of information about MBBS abroad. And in case if you are looking to study MBBS abroad, or somebody from your family are looking to study MBBS abroad, and my channel may give you lots of clarity and lots of good information which will help you to decide MBBS abroad. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Namaskara.